Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Josephine Goloso. I am 41 years old, single, and I'm from Eastern Samar, Philippines. I finished a 2-year vocational course in computer secretariat. I've been working as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for more than 20 years now. My first employer were a family of 5, parents and 3 sons. My second employer were a family of 6, parents and 4 children. And my latest employer were a family of 4, parents, 1 teenager, and 1 child. I've worked with them since 2005 until June 2024. My main duties and responsibilities as a helper are taking care of the children, do all the household chores, such as cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, gardening, washing the car, and of course cooking. But right now, I only know how to cook Filipino food, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. Please give me a chance to work for your family, for I am responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy. I promise that I will serve, respect, and protect your whole family. Thank you, and God bless.